Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome back in this online lecture series of Hira English School Standard 10. So in the last lecture, we had discussed about the second chapter of Science 2, Life Processes in Living Organism Part 1. We had already begun this chapter, and in this we had discussed about how energy production takes place in our body through the diet which we eat and the important nutrients present in our diet like carbohydrate. So we had discussed about energy production through carbohydrate. We had seen different processes in it. Two types of respiration. Let me recall you what we had discussed in that lecture. Two types of respiration. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, the difference between them, and very important Krebs cycle, how glycolysis takes place in our body through Krebs cycle, and energy molecules, that is ATP molecules, are generated and stored in our cell. Today we are going to discuss energy production through other nutrients like protein, lipids, that is fat, vitamins and minerals, and water. So first we'll discuss about protein. What is protein? How we get energy from protein? Proteins are macromolecules present in our body, and they are the combination of different amino acids. So, when we eat something as a diet, we get protein from them. And this protein gets break down into different amino acids in our body. And when the amino acids get mixed up with the blood, it reaches to each and every cell of our body. So over there, these amino acids are used up by the cell, by the tissues, by the organ to synthesize some another protein which are required for them. You can see in the diagram next to me. Okay, so there are amino acids which reach up to different organs and parts of our body, and then these organs and they synthesize their own protein which are required for proper functioning of the body. Proteins are also said to be the building block of our body, because the wear and tear of the cell which take place and the things which are required for their repairing work is a very important, it's protein. Now remember, each gram of protein gives us about 4 kilocalorie of energy. That is same as carbohydrate. Each gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalorie of energy. Similarly, each gram of protein gives us about 4 kilocalorie of energy. Okay, so different sources of protein, you can see there are different sources of protein. We get protein from meat, fishes, okay, the things which are rich in protein like soya beans, and the different pulses. All these are the rich sources of protein. Milk, very important. So what if there are excess of protein in our body? Okay, if the excess amount of protein is stored in our body, what happens to them? Okay, they get removed from our body in the form of ammonia. Okay, so ammonia, in the form of ammonia, the excess of protein gets eliminated from our body. Now let us come to another important nutrient called as lipids or fats. Lipids or fats are the various organic compounds, of nature like fats, oils or hormones. They are present in our body and they are used as the last source of energy. And each gram of lipid, the fat, gives us about 9 kilocalorie of energy. Imagine what a great amount of energy we get from lipids, fat. 9 kilocalorie of energy each gram of lipid gives us. And again, as I said you, they are the source of energy, but they are used as the last source of energy in our body. And the sources of lipids, again you can see that there are different various sources of lipids. So these sources help us to store lipid in our body. And if there are excess amount of lipids which are present in our body, they are used as, insulation, as a source of insulation, protective layer around the adipose tissue. There are different organs in our body. They have these layers of lipids over them. Okay, they act as insulator for them. So lipids are acting as insulator as well for us. Okay, they protect us from the shock which we get due to any injury. So lipids are of that importance. Then let us come to vitamins and minerals. If we talk about vitamins are the vital organic compounds which are present in the body. We require them in minute amount, but they are very important for the proper growth. So as I said vitamins are the vital organic substances present in our body, required in minute amount, but their presence is important because they carry out very important functions in our body. Again, you can see there are two types of vitamins. If you can see aside me, fat soluble vitamins and the water soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins are those vitamins which are soluble in fat and they retain in our body, for a long time. Whereas water soluble vitamins are those vitamins which are soluble in water, and they get expelled through water. So they cannot remain in our body for a long time, and our body needs them frequently. So if you see fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, K, these are fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin C and vitamin B complexes. These all are water soluble vitamins. So we have vitamins in our body playing a very important role. Along with vitamins, minerals are also playing very important role in our body. Again, they require minerals in the form of zinc or calcium or magnesium. They are present, required in our body. We get it from our diet. Again in a minute amount, but very important for the smooth, proper function of the body. Remember this. Then comes water, very important. See, our body constitutes of water. Major constituent of a body, like 70 to 80% constituent of a body weight is of water. And in a cell as well, 90% of cells consist of water. So water plays a very important role again because it transports or it acts as a carrier of many things in a body from one part to another part. So water plays a very important role. If there is loss of water in our body gets disturbed. Metabolic activities of the body get disturbed due to loss of water. And at the end, we will also discuss about fibers. What are fibers? Fibers are also there in our body. They help us for the proper digestion. They don't get digest enough food, but they help us in digestion. They help us to eliminate the unwanted things in our body. So we get fibers from the leafy vegetables, from the fruits. So it's good for us. So today we have discussed about, let me recall you again, energy production from protein, from lipids, and vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. So here we have finished with the energy production part of this chapter, which is required, and life processes to be carried out smoothly, we need energy, and we get energy through these many ways. Now in the next part of this chapter, we are going to discuss about cell division, how cell division takes place in the body. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss about cell division. Read whatever I have taught you, read from the textbook, go through the textbook. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi